Hi everyone, and welcome to another demonstration video of how Fundesliga Quiz League games will function. Today we have four esteemed quizzers: Krishnamurti G, fondly known as Goch, in seat number one; Movin Miranda, seat number two; Rajiv Rai in seat number three; and Srinath Bhashyam in seat number four. The players already know the rules, but if they have any queries, they can ask mid-game, and I'll be happy to answer them, which you as viewers will also be able to clear your doubts with. The basic idea is that 64 questions in 8 rounds. In each round, everybody gets two direct questions. If you answer, it's 1 point, and if you get it wrong on your direct, it passes. The passing sequence, though, is determined by who has more or less bonus attempts. Person with the least bonus attempts will be in the first passing sequence. Person with the most bonus attempts will be in the last sequence. One thing I want to say here for the participants: in your directs, you have a free guess. If you get it wrong, it does not accrue a bonus attempt. So in your directs, feel free to guess if you wish to. All times on the screen, you will see the question order, the player order, as well as you can see the who has how many points, who has how many bonus attempts, and who is in which position in the game. So with all that said and done, we'll start with Goch. Goch, here's question number one for you. And while it's a demonstration video, I'll request people to keep their hands on the screen, which will be mandatory for the league games for sure. Today, if your hands do drift off, I'll tell you once or twice. But in the league, for those watching, hands on the screen will be important because we want this game to be as fair as possible. Question number one to Goch. Which famous museum which famous museum has extensions in Lens, a town in the north of France, as well as in Abu Dhabi?
Louvre.
Louvre is correct. Your next question. Doordarshan's Gujarati language channel is named after which hill? Located near Junagadh, the hill is sacred to followers of Jainism.
Aravali.
Wrong. Movin. 5 seconds have to pass you. Rajiv.
Girnar.
Girnar is correct, Rajiv. So as you can see, Rajiv has gotten the first of his bonus attempts right, so he has moved right at the end of the passing sequence. Now we move to Movin for your two questions. Movin, after 32 seasons, which reality TV series about the police was cancelled by the Paramount Network in 2020? Its name is the expansion of the letter C in ACAB, which was an acronym used widely during the Black Lives Matters protest.
Crime.
Crime is wrong. Srinath.
Cops.
Cops is right. ACAB stands for All Cops Are, and I'll stop there. I'll leave the B to your imagination. Here's question number two from Movin. Movin, which Prohibition era cocktail was made with white rum, pineapple juice, grenadine, and maraschino liqueur, and was named for a pioneer in American cinema? It was created in the 1920s at the Hotel Nacional de Cuba when this pioneer went to Havana with friends and business partners Charlie Chaplin and Douglas Fairbanks.
Mary Pickford.
That is correct. And now we move to Rajiv for your directs. Rajiv, in which novel that was made into a Netflix film in 2019 does Balram Halwai narrate his life story in a letter addressed to Chinese Premier Wen Jiabao? Balram's
White Tiger.
letter explains how he escaped a life of servitude to become a successful businessman.
White Tiger.
That's correct. Your next question. He is the son of Aphrodite and Ares in Greek mythology. He used to slay his enemies by making a brave enemy turn coward. In Roman legend, he is considered the father of Romulus and Remus, Rome's founders. Who is this? Also the source of a scary term.
Is the span.
Wrong. A goch.
Pass.
Pass. Movin.
Pass.
Pass. Srinath.
Pass.
Pass. This is Phobos, who gives the name let the word phobia. for things that scare you?
Phobos and Deimos, the moons of Mars. Yeah.
Well, you want to be careful what you say while discussing, because something else might turn up as an answer in the future as well. Okay? Srinath, we come to you, the last two questions of this round. Srinath, in chess, what name is given to a configuration of heavy pieces such as rooks or queens in a single file? The name is inspired by the term that refers to a grouped unit of artillery, missiles, and so on.
Battery.
Battery is correct. Your next question. Richard Bass, who lived from 1929 to 2015, was the first man to complete the seven summits, a challenge to reach the highest peak in every continent. The first summit he conquered was which highest mountain of North America? From 1896 to 2015, this mountain was named after the 25th president of USA, but has since been restored to its original name, a Koyukon Athabaskan word for high or tail.
This is Mount Denali or Mount McKinley.
That's correct. That's another point for you. So at the end of one round, the scores are Srinath on 3, Rajiv on 2, Goch and Movin on 1 point each. Rajiv and Srinath have 1 bonus attempt each. Goch and Movin have 0 each. And this is why you can see that Rajiv is second last and Srinath is last on the passing sequence. We again go to Goch for your questions. Literally the foremost of noble ladies, she came to the throne of Egypt in 1478 BC and officially ruled jointly with Thutmose III. Who is this, the fifth pharaoh of the 18th dynasty of Egypt, famous for having sent a trading delegation to the land of Punt?
Nefertiti.
Wrong. Movin.
Is it
Fast.
Cleopatra?
Wrong. Rajiv.
Hatshepsut.
Hatshepsut is correct. We now go to Goch for your second question. The menswear line of which eponymous fashion brand features a polo player, which soon after became synonymous with the whole company?
Ralph Lauren.
Ralph Lauren is correct. We now move to Movin for his two questions. Movin. Gyanpith awardee Mahashweta Devi's historical fiction Aranyar Odhikar, or Forest Rights in English, is based on the life of which folk hero who lived from 1875 to 1900?
Birsa Munda?
That's correct. Your next question. In July 1957, which scientist made an appearance on the TV show I've Got a Secret? He appeared as a mystery guest whose secret was that he invented electronic television.
Logie Baird?
Wrong. Goch.
Einstein.
Wrong. Srinath.
Philo Farnsworth.
Right? Philo or Philo Farnsworth is correct. Now we move to Rajiv for your two questions. Rajiv. As per the sport's governing body, balls of only two colors are allowed for official play. The most popular ball color is optic yellow, first introduced in 1972 following research that they were most visible on television. Which sport are we talking about?
Tennis. Lawn tennis.
That's correct. Your next question. The name of this city is a variation of the Pashto word meaning fortress, Fortress. True to its etymology, the first European to visit it in 1828 described it as a mud-walled fort surrounded by 300 mud houses. Which city from the subcontinent is this?
Attock.
Wrong. Goch.
Pass.
Pass. Movin.
Quetta?
Quetta is correct, and that gets you 1 point. Now we move to Srinath for the last two questions of round 2. Srinath. In Hindu legends, which legendary rishi, who is said to have authored or heard one of the Vedas, was also the father of the sage Dadichi?
Veda Vyasa.
Wrong. Goch.
Pass.
Pass. Movin.
Vashishta.
Wrong. Rajiv?
Pass.
Pass. The answer is Atharvan. Srinath, your next question. Band Aid, the charity supergroup, was founded in 1984 by Bob Geldof and Midge Ure. The single that marked its formation surpassed the hopes of the producers to become the Christmas number one on its release that year and also became the fastest selling single in UK history. Which single is this?
No, it's wrong, but We Are the World.
Wrong. Goch?
Pass.
Pass. Rajiv?
Pass.
Pass. Movin?
Do they know it's Christmas?
That's correct. Do they know it's Christmas?
Sure.
So after
I didn't take a risk. Yeah.
Same here.
Uh-huh.
So after 2 rounds, we have a three-way tie for first, which you can see in the column, position column. It says 1 equal to. So three-way tie for first between Movin, Rajiv and Srinath. Goch is currently fourth. And you can see that since Movin has run away with his attempts so far, 4 attempts, he is last on the passing sequence. Now we move to Goch again for your next question. We start round 3. Goch. Which 2006 novel tells the story of the Biafran War through the perspective of Olana, Ugwu, and Richard? It takes place in Nigeria prior to and during the country's civil war from 1967 to 70, and in 2019 was ranked by The Guardian as the 10th best book since 2000.
Half of a Yellow Sun.
That is correct. Your next question. In 1906, who discovered that the bacteria that causes Rocky Mountain spotted fever is carried by a tick? He injected himself with the pathogen and unfortunately died in 1909 while investigating typhus in Mexico City with the causative organism now named after him. His name is not to be confused with that of a vitamin deficiency disease.
Can you repeat the question?
Sure. In 1906, who discovered that the bacteria that causes Rocky Mountain spotted fever is carried by a tick? He injected himself with the pathogen and unfortunately died in 1909 while investigating typhus in Mexico City with the causative organism now named after him. His name is not to be confused with that of a vitamin deficiency disease. 10 seconds.
Berry Berry.
Wrong. Rajiv?
Pass.
Pass. Srinath?
Rickets.
Ricketts is right. The answer is Howard Taylor Ricketts, after whom the family Rickettsia and the order Rickettsialis are named. Movin, we come to you. Movin. Considering the ball used in this team sport, the sport's name is actually an anomaly. Like tennis, optic yellow is the preferred ball color in competitive play. The ball is built by bringing together two pieces of leather shaped like the figure 8, the number 8, and sewn together with red thread, with a core of cork and rubber. Which sport is this?
Baseball.
Wrong. Goch?
Polo.
Wrong. Rajiv? Have to pass you. Srinath?
Pato.
Oh, Pato is wrong. Srinath?
Pass.
Srinath passes, okay. Arjo, you gave Rajiv a wrong. Rajiv was wrong, and just undo twice, or whatever you want to do.
I did. Let me go back to
Check and check, yeah.
This is Movin's direct, right?
Yeah, just press once more. Yeah, mark Rajiv as wrong. And Srinath, what did you say? Sorry?
I said pass.
Pass. Srinath passed. The answer is softball. As I said, the name is an anomaly.
Sorry.
And Movin, your next question. The fifth mountain climbed by Richard Bass in his 7 Summits Challenge was which Antarctic mountain massif, 21 kilometers long and 13 kilometers wide? The massif was named in 1961 after Carl G. Dash, the US congressman from the state of Georgia, for his support for Antarctic exploration.
Is it Vinson Massif?
That's correct. It is Vinson Massif. Now we move to player 3, Rajiv. Rajiv. Founded by a certain Julius II in the 16th century, which museum or group of museums is the second most visited in Europe?
The Uffizi.
Wrong. Goch.
Vatican Museum.
That's correct. The Vatican Museum or the Vatican Museums, both are acceptable. Rajiv, your next question. Which icon of Kannada cinema directed the Doordarshan show Malgudi Days based on the work of R.K. Narayan? His older brother Anant also made multiple appearances in this TV serial.
Shankar. I forget his name.
I'll give it to you. He's also known as Shankar, but I was gonna be a little strict otherwise and would have said Shankar Nag. Last names are preferred by everywhere, but here I'm okay giving that because he is also known as Shankar. Sometimes, not always. Srinath, now your question. 2 questions for you. Srinath, which winner of the 2020 US Open wore masks bearing the names of victims of racial injustice, including Breonna Taylor, Tamir Rice, and George Floyd, during her matches to make people start talking?
Sloane Stephens.
Wrong. Goch. Have to pass you. Rajiv.
Osaka.
Naomi Osaka is correct. Srinath, your next question. Which cocktail, Puerto Rico's national drink, was created by bartender Ramon Monchito Marrero? According to Marrero, the ingredients for the cocktail's recipe, rum and strained pineapple, best reflected the essence of his country.
Pina Colada.
That's correct. So after 3 rounds, the scores are a 2-way tie for first with 6 each for Rajiv and Srinath. Movin second with 5. Goch on 4. Currently 4th, but anything can happen. Movin and Rajiv have 4 bonus attempts. Goch and Srinath have 3 bonus attempts. Goch, we come back to you. Also called blind chess, which chess variant features gameplay where each player can only see their own pieces and not those of their opponent? The name literally translates to war game in German.
Blitzkrieg.
Wrong. Srinath?
Kriegspiel.
Kriegspiel is right. Goch did get the Krieg aspect from war, but Kriegspiel is the answer. Your next question. Goch. The name of which administrative capital originates in the 13th century when a chieftain named Alagakanora built a water fortress in the shape of a triangle? This capital's name translates to the blessed fortress city of growing victory.
You repeat?
Sure. The name of which administrative capital originates in the 13th century when a chieftain named Alagakanora built a water fortress in the shape of a triangle? This capital's name translates to the blessed fortress city of growing victory. 10 seconds.
Kyoto.
Kyoto is wrong. Movin.
I pass.
Pass Rajiv.
Pass.
Pass Srinath.
Is this Kota Sri Jayawardhanapura?
That's correct. Sri Jayawardhanapura Kotta, the administrative capital of Sri Lanka. Movin, it's your question now. Question number 1. Atiya Guru Sidaba, that's Atiya space Guru space Sidaba. Atiya Guru Sidaba is the creator god, and Pakhangba is the destroyer who can take a serpentine form in which mythology from India? You can give one of at least 3 answers.
Is it the Santals?
Wrong. Goch.
Pass.
Pass Rajiv.
Pass.
Pass Srinath.
Guess Gond.
Gond is wrong. This is Meitei, Meitei, or Kanglei or Manipuri. Moving your next question. What specific 1970s event connects the crowd noises on Aerosmith's cover of Train Kept a Rollin' and the album covers for the compilations Bob Dylan's Greatest Hit Volume 2 and the History of Eric Clapton?
What's the first
Woodstock?
part of the question?
I'll
Sorry.
repeat again. What specific 1970s event connects the crowd noises on Aerosmith's cover of Train Kept a Rollin' and the album covers for the compilations Bob Dylan's Greatest Hits Volume 2 and the History of Eric Clapton?
I guessed Woodstock.
Woodstock is wrong. Goch?
Rumble in the Jungle.
Wrong. Rajiv?
Thriller and, oh, sorry. Pass.
Pass. Okay. Srinath?
Pass.
Pass. The answer is
Bangladesh.
Concert for Bangladesh. So the
Bangladesh.
crowd noise in Aerosmith's song comes in for Bangladesh, and the other two albums' photos are from that concert as well. Rajiv, your question. The bust of which queen is believed to have been crafted in 1345 BCE by Thutmose, found in his workshop in Amarna, Egypt? Currently on display at the Neues Museum in Berlin, she was queen of the 18th dynasty of ancient Egypt, the great royal wife of Pharaoh Akhenaten.
Nefertiti.
That's correct. Your next question. The founder of which high fashion brand chose Medusa as his company's logo because, according to the founder, Medusa made people fall in love with her and they had no way back. The founder hoped his company would have the same effect on people who wore his clothes.
Versace.
That's correct. And now we move to Srinath. Srinath. The award-winning film Pinjar, Pinjar, is based on a novel by which Gujranwala-born poet and novelist who wrote in Punjabi and Hindi? Ten seconds.
Pass.
Okay, pass. Goch.
Amrita Pritam.
That's correct. Amrita Pritam. Just one thing I just want to say so everyone's aware. On your direct, you can take a guess with no, you will not be penalized. Okay. Next question, Srinath. On the 2020 television series Cosmos, Possible Worlds, Cosmos, Possible Worlds, Sasha made an appearance as her grandmother, Rachel Gruber. Who is Sasha's illustrious father?
Can you repeat it?
On the 2020 TV series Cosmos, Possible Worlds, Sasha made an appearance as her grandmother, Rachel Gruber. Who is Sasha's illustrious father?
I'm going to say Carl Sagan.
And you're correct, it is Carl Sagan. So at the end of the halfway stage, we have Srinath with a slender lead of 9, Rajiv on 8. Movin and Goch are currently tied third on 5 points. Srinath with 6 bonus attempts, Rajiv and Movin with 4. And Goch actually is now second most on bonus attempts with 5. Because demonstration video, just to make it as realistic as possible, I'll request everyone to keep their hands on the screen as much as possible, just so the people watching also have a good idea of how this quiz works. So we'll start round 5. There is no clockwise, anti-clockwise. We just continue in the same way.
So
Goch?
4 more rounds, right?
We're at the halfway stage right now. 32 questions are done. Goch, your first question. Which people's origin myths speak of how humans emerged from the egg of a goose and a gander, which were two birds created by the gods, with Thakur Dev being one among them? The people in question are found in Bengal, Odisha, and Jharkhand.
Can you repeat which 3 states you said?
Bengal, Odisha, and Jharkhand.
I'll guess ball.
Wrong. Movin.
I'll pass.
Okay, Rajiv.
Santhals.
Santhals is correct. Movin said Santhal on a wrong answer and passed on Santhal than the correct answer.
Yeah, but I was too scared to pass.
Goach, your next question. Reunited with Roger Waters for the first time in over 24 years, Pink Floyd dedicated Wish You Were Here to their absent former member Sid Barrett. Timed to precede an international summit held at the Gleneagles Hotel in Scotland in 2005, at what benefit concerts with a doubly appropriate name did Pink Floyd reunite?
Can you repeat?
Yeah, reunited with Roger Waters for the first time in over 24 years, Pink Floyd dedicated Wish You Were Here to their absent former member Sid Barrett. Timed to precede an international summit held at the Gleneagles Hotel in Scotland in 2005, at what benefit concerts with a doubly appropriate name did Pink Floyd reunite? 10 seconds.
G8.
G8 is wrong. Movin.
Pass.
Pass Rajiv.
Pass.
Pass Srinath. Srinath?
Pass.
Pass.
Pass,
Okay.
pass.
The answer is Live 8, a pun on Live
Oh,
8 and G8. Live 8 was the answer.
nice.
We move to Movin now for your first question, Movin. A 41 BC meeting at Tarsos between a member of the Second Roman Triumvirate and a sovereign is commemorated with a structure named after the latter, with the meeting itself resulting in tragic romantic consequences for both. Who is this structure named after?
Just repeat it.
A 41 BC meeting at Tarsos between a member of the Second Roman Triumvirate and a sovereign is commemorated with a structure named after the latter, with the meeting itself resulting in tragic romantic consequences for both. Who is the structure named after? Movin.
Cleopatra.
Correct. It is Cleopatra. Cleopatra's Gate in Tarsos.
Yeah.
Your next question. In 1934, the logo for this fashion brand was first used when its gilded brass letters graced the central doorway of its store at Via Condotti. The brand's second letter was replaced with another letter in their logo, and since then, the trademark is written in the classical Latin alphabet and is a corruption of its Greek founder's surname. Which brand is this? One letter removed from a country's name.
Can you repeat that?
Yeah. In 1934, the logo for this fashion brand was first used when its gilded brass letters graced the central doorway of its store at Via Condotti. The brand's second letter was replaced with another letter in the logo. Since then, the trademark is written in the classical Latin alphabet and is a corruption of the Greek founder's surname. Which brand, one letter removed from a country's name? Move in 10 seconds.
Bulgari.
Bulgari is right, often written as BVLGARI, and of course, one letter removed from Bulgaria. Rajiv, now your questions. Which author of the novel Zindagi Nama is, as of today, the most recent woman writer to receive a Gyanpith Award? She was given this honor in 2017.
Karutalen Haidar.
Wrong. Movin.
Pass.
Goach.
Pass.
Pass. Srinath.
Pass.
This is Krishna Sopti. Krishna Sopti is the correct answer. Next question, Rajiv. Rajiv, whose mother, Jacqueline Jenkins, was a code breaker during World War II? Much before his appearances on television, he himself worked at Boeing Corporation and also saved the world, according to the title of a 2017 Netflix series.
Can you repeat the first part at least?
Whose mother, Jacqueline Jenkins, was a code breaker during World War II. Much before his appearances on television, he himself worked at Boeing Corporation and also, in quotes, saved the world, according to the title of a 2017 Netflix series.
Go with Alan Turing.
Wrong. Movin.
Pass.
Pass. Goch.
Pass.
Pass. Srinath.
Pass.
Pass. This is Bill Nye, also known as the science guy. Bill Nye Saved the World being the Netflix show. Srinath, your questions coming up. In chess, it is a checkmate position where the king is blocked on both sides by its own rooks. What is such a checkmate called, named due to resemblance to an ornamental part of military uniform?
It's called an epaulet mate.
That's correct, epaulet mate. Your next question. Lying on both the Buragrag River and the Atlantic Ocean, which capital city derives its name from the Arabic word for an Islamic base or fortification? Despite being only the seventh largest city in its country, it is the national capital and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site in its entirety.
Can you say that again?
Lying on both the Buragrag River and the Atlantic Ocean, which capital city derives its name from the Arabic word for an Islamic base or fortification? Despite being only the seventh largest city in its country, it is a national capital and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site in its entirety.
I'm going to say Rabat.
Rabat is correct, Ribat being the Arabic word. After 5 rounds, Srinath extended his lead slightly. It's quite a symmetrical scorecard. Srinath on 11, Rajiv on 9, Movin on 7, Goch on 5. Srinath with 6 bonus attempts, Rajiv and Goch with 5, Movin with 4. At one point, Movin had the most bonus attempts. Now he has the least, and therefore he is first on the passing sequence. Goch, we go back to you. Here's your question. 1 second. Yeah, Goch. Blank Must Fall was a movement started in 2015 to advocate for the demolition of whose statue at a university in South Africa. It later spread to the UK, where a prestigious award is instituted in his name.
Rhodes.
Rhodes is correct, Cecil Rhodes. Your next question, Goch. Created in California, this rum-based cocktail uses curacao liqueur, orgeat syrup, and lime juice, and is said to be a quintessential drink in Hawaiian, Polynesian, and Oceanic culture. The name is believed to be taken from the single Tahitian word for excellence, although it is usually spelled as 2 words. Which cocktail?
Mai Tai.
That is correct. And now we move to Movin.
Rajiv, you told me this long time ago. Yeah.
When he was in Hawaii.
Movin, we come to you for your 2 questions. Movin. The first book in which series was developed as a fan fiction series, originally titled Master of the Universe and written under the pen name Snow Queen's Ice Dragon. According to market research group NPD, this was the best-selling book of the 2010s in the USA.
50 Shades of Grey.
That is correct. Your next question. It was only as a 96-year-old in 2016 in a senior assistant, sorry, I'll restart, okay? It was only as a 96-year-old in 2016 in a senior assisted living center in Cincinnati that he carried out the procedure for the first time in a get-together for meals in a communal dining room. The beneficiary was fellow resident 87-year-old Patty Riss. What eponymous procedure is this?
This is the Heimlich maneuver.
That is correct. Now we move to Rajiv for your questions, Rajiv. Rajiv, balls in which sport have colored dots on them, with each having different characteristics? Balls with blue dots are fast with very high bounce. Red dots indicate medium speed with high bounce. Yellow dots indicate slow speed with low bounce, while double yellow dots signify extra slow speed with very low bounce.
Squash.
Squash is correct. Your next question. The third mountain climbed by Richard Bass in his 7 Summits challenge was which mountain the highest in Europe? Although its name has some etymological connection with an Iranian mountain range, the names of the two should not be confused.
Elbrus.
Elbrus is correct. Now we move to Srinath. Srinath, a museum located in the Ypres Cloth Hall, that's YPRES Cloth Hall, is dedicated to the First World War and takes its name from a famous rondo written by a Canadian soldier and surgeon. What is this museum called?
This is Flanders Field Museum in
Correct.
Flanders.
In Flanders Field or Flanders Field, both are accepted. Your next question. The Doordarshan serial Hum Log was based on a telenovela named Ven Conmigo, which translates to Come With Me in English. This was a show from which Latin American country?
Can you say that again?
This was a show from which Latin American country?
The name?
Ven Conmigo, which translates in English to Come With Me.
I'll say Argentina.
Wrong, Movin.
Mexico.
That's correct. It is Mexico. So it's a very high scoring 6 rounds where 7 out of 8 questions were answered. We have Srinath with a slender lead of 12, Rajiv on 11, Movin on a close third place with 10, and Goch on 7. Srinath has the most bonus attempts, 6, and the rest have 5. Penultimate round, we start with Goch again. Goch. By the way, you're muted in case you want to unmute yourself. Aag Ka Darya is an Urdu masterpiece often compared to Marquez's 100 Years of Solitude for its sheer scope. Which Gyanpith awardee was the author of this book? Her second name means lion or brave in Arabic.
We'll go with Kurut Lane Haider.
That's correct. Go to your next question. The Big Bang, Black Holes and Beyond, and 4 other titles were the episodes of an astronomical documentary series featuring whose name in its title?
Repeat.
The Big Bang, Black Holes and Beyond, and 4 other titles were the episodes of an astronomical documentary series featuring whose name in its title? 10 seconds.
We'll go with Carl Sagan.
Wrong. Movin.
Stephen Hawking.
That's correct. Stephen Hawking. And Movin is now tied second with Rajiv. Movin, your next question. Movin, yes, your 2 questions. In its early days, this sport essentially used elephant tusks as material for balls in the form of ivory. Later, celluloid, the material used in the initial days of movie making, was briefly used, while today, phenolic resin is the preferred option. Which sport is this that at most can have 22 balls in play at one time?
Is snooker.
Correct. Your next question, and Movin is now tied first, by the way. Movin, your next question. Which major capital city, the birthplace of Marie Antoinette, Lisa Meitner, and Hedy Lamarr, derives its name from the Celtic words for white fort?
Belgrade.
Wrong. Rajiv?
Oh, you can't repeat the question.
What did Movin say?
Belgrade. 5 seconds pass. Goch?
Edinburgh.
Wrong. Bhashyam? Srinath, sorry.
Vienna?
Vienna is correct. It is Vienna. Yes, Rajiv, you were right. I cannot repeat a question after it has passed. So now we move to Rajiv. Rajiv, your 2 questions coming up. Which of Lord Vishnu's 10 avatars made an appearance in the Dwapara Yuga? As per legend, this period lasted about 864,000 years.
Krishna.
Correct. Your next question. Which country's, in quotes, biblical famine was first documented by Michael Burke of the BBC News in 1984, who described it as the closest thing to hell on earth? The 1985 Live 8 concert was subsequently conceived by Geldof and Yer as a follow-on to 1984's Do They Know It's Christmas?
So you want which country, right? Is
Yeah.
that Ethiopia?
That's correct. And we
It's the
move,
locust famine, right? Okay, I won't say anything.
as I said,
Go ahead, go ahead.
Srinath, your questions coming up. Srinath. Yeah, Srinath.
Yeah.
1 second. Yeah. The only modern constellation named for a historic person commemorates the ruling queen of Cyrenaica and queen and co-regent of Ptolemaic Egypt from 246 BC to 222 BC. The constellation's name memorializes a legend concerning her sacrificed lock. Which Ptolemaic queen is this, sharing her name with a French Argentine actress from the movie The Artist?
Berenice.
That's correct. Berenice II is correct. Your next question, and the last one of this round. Which largely menswear brand's logo displays both its American background and its nautical spirit? The color scheme reflects America, while the International Code of Signals, displaying red and white flags in maritime context, translates to the letter H, which ties up well with the brand's name.
Tommy Hilfiger.
That's correct. So before the last round, the scores are Srinath on 15, Rajiv on 13, Movin on 12, and Goch on 8. Srinath with 7 bonus attempts, Movin and Goch with 6, Rajiv with 5. Last 8 questions, Goch. Here's your first. The English name for which chess piece is named as the equivalent of an elephant in other languages? Examples include alfil in Arabic and slon in Russian, both of which refer to the elephant.
Sorry, can you repeat?
The English name for which chess piece is named as the equivalent of an elephant in other languages? Examples include alfil in Arabic and slon in Russian. Rook is wrong. Rajiv?
Just 1 second, I'll close the door.
Have to pass you. Movin? Have to pass you, Movin. Srinath?
I'd say it's the bishop.
Bishop is the correct answer. It is indeed the bishop. Goch, your next question.
Okay. What was the answer?
Bishop.
Okay.
Your next question. The fourth mountain climbed by Richard Bass in his 7 Summits Challenge was which dormant volcano in Tanzania, Africa's tallest mountain and the tallest single freestanding mountain in the world?
Kilimanjaro.
That is correct. Movin, your last 2 questions. Museums known as the Thyssen and the Reina Sofia forms 2/3 of the Golden Triangle of Art, along with an extremely famous museum, all located close to each other. Which European capital are they all located in?
I'll take Belgrade again.
Wrong, Rajiv.
Madrid.
Madrid is right. The missing one was, of course, the Prado.
Prado.
Yes. Moving your next question. What recurring role did voiceover artist Harish Bhimani play over the course of a certain Doordarshan serial's 94 episode run in the late 1980s?
This is the Samay in Mahabharata.
That's correct. Samay or time is correct. Rajiv, your last 2 questions of this evening, at least for directs. While the Reddit co-founder Alexis Ohanian stepped down and urged that a black candidate takes his place, Greg Glassman, the founder of which branded fitness regime, claimed that none of his staff was mourning for Floyd and that there was no reason to do so apart from it being the white thing to do.
Can you repeat the first part?
While Reddit co-founder Alexis Ohanian stepped down and urged that a black candidate takes his place, Greg Glassman, the founder of which branded fitness regime, claimed that none of his staff was mourning for Floyd and that there was no reason to do so apart from it being the white thing to do. 10 seconds.
Go Sport.
Wrong. Goch? Pass, Movin.
CrossFit.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yes, what did you say?
I said
Goch?
CrossFit.
CrossFit
I
is
said
correct.
CrossFit.
That's fine. That's correct. Arjo, can you undo and press correct? Thank you. Rajiv, your last direct question of today. This cocktail with white rum, sugarcane juice, lime juice, soda water and mint is one of 2 favorite drinks consumed by author Ernest Hemingway. Some claim it gets its name from a Cuban lime-based seasoning used in local dishes, while others claim it derives from the Spanish for a little wet. Which cocktail is this?
Just repeat.
This cocktail with white rum, sugarcane juice, lime juice, soda water, and mint is one of two favorite drinks consumed by author Ernest Hemingway. Some claim it gets its name from a Cuban lime-based seasoning used in local dishes. Others claim it derives from the Spanish for a little wet. Which cocktail is this?
Pacheca.
Wrong. Movin.
Daiquiri.
Wrong. Goch.
Aipirana.
Wrong. Srinath.
I don't have anything.
Okay, Srinath passes. The answer is mojito. Mojito.
Oh,
Okay.
wow.
Srinath, your last two questions. Well, the game's not yet over. Rajiv can definitely catch up with you because not only does he have the least bonus attempts, but also he's just 2 points behind you. Srinath, this physician helped set up the Medical School of Hanoi in 1902 and was its first director. A pioneer in the cultivation of rubber trees imported from Brazil into Indochina, he also tried to acclimatize the quinine tree, which produced the first known effective remedy for malaria in Asia. Who is he? The discoverer of the source of a deadly troika or triplet or threesome, which is named in his honor.
Can you repeat it?
This physician helped set up the Medical School of Hanoi in 1902 and was its first director. A pioneer in the cultivation of rubber trees imported from Brazil into Indochina, he also tried to acclimatize the quinine tree, which produced the first known effective remedy for malaria in Asia. Who is he? The discoverer of the source of a deadly triad, which is named in his honor.
Guerin.
Could you repeat that for me?
Guerin.
Wrong. Rajiv?
This is Yersin of Yersinia pestis. Yersin.
Absolutely right. Alexander Yersin of Yersinia pestis. And time for the last question of the quiz. Srinath. Which memoir, later developed for television, details the events that occur as a result of author Piper Kerman's involvement with a former friend, lover, and drug smuggler? Writer Jessica Gross argued that the book belongs to a genre where women from privileged social classes enter situations which are considered degrading.
Repeat it, please.
Which memoir, later developed for television, details the events that occur as a result of author Piper Kerman's involvement with a former friend, lover, and drug smuggler? Writer Jessica Gross argued that the book belongs to a genre where women from privileged social classes enter situations which are considered degrading. 10
Serpent?
seconds. Could you
Serpent?
repeat that?
Serpent.
Wrong. Movin.
Orange is the new black.
Oh,
That is
shit, I
correct.
thought it was
Orange is the
mine.
new black, and that means Srinath wins the quiz with 16. Rajiv.
I thought it
No,
was
you're
my
right.
question. I was just going to answer it.
No. Because you answered the last one.
I answered the last one. Is switched. Okay.
Yeah. So at the end of the quiz, we have Srinath coming first with 16, Rajiv second with 15, Movin a very close third with 14, and Goch with 10. As you can see on the scorecard, the top three all actually got 9 of the 16 own questions right. It eventually came down to who got the more bonus points correct, and that determined the quiz. So if you guys are watching this quiz, hope you guys enjoyed this tantalizing little quiz we had, and hope you followed the quiz carefully to really understand how this game would work. It's quite an easy one. If you watch the video once, you would definitely have a good idea. Once again, thanks to Goch, Movin, Rajiv, and Srinath for taking part in this demonstration game.